One of the ways I keep my van cool is with the installation of some WeatherTech moldings. You'll see them right around the driver's side window, and then we'll go inside. They provide a little bit of tinting, and you can crack your windows and the rain can't rain in, right? You can leave a gap between the top of the roll down window and the bottom of that plastic shaded frame, and that'll allow a breeze to come through. Here's a look at the passenger side. Now these are made of plastic, high strength acrylic, and they kind of friction fit up into the window felt, and seal in. So this is one of the first things that I did. They're relatively, discreet. They don't attract a lot of attention. That's how I keep my cool when I'm inside of my mobile shack and camping vehicle.